What's going on, guys? Today I want to talk about the only must-do mod on a 2015 and up Charger RT, Challenger RT Automatic, or a 300 5.7. So the car that I have here is a 2018 Charger RT. Now, I've seen a lot of YouTube videos where people talk about their favorite mods, the must-do mods on these cars. And I've seen anything anywhere from different wheels, tires, cosmetic mods, interior mods, engine mods, and a lot of them are pretty good. I agree with a lot of them. They allow you to get the most out of your vehicle. But the mod that I'm going to talk about today is the only mod that, in my opinion, is detrimental to the car's function. So if we go under the car here, we have a component called the differential. And if you don't have an SRT or a manual Challenger 5.7, you have an open differential. What I found after putting 30,000 miles on this car is that the open differential actually hinders the car's ability in many ways. So I did a lot of research and I found that you can do a direct swap from a 6.4, which has a 309 ratio versus the factory 262 ratio. Nothing else needs to change. You don't even have to do a tune, and the car should run seamlessly. So allow me to talk about why this is the only must-do mod for this car. If you're daily driving this vehicle, you are going to notice a huge difference when you swap out your open differential for a limited slip. If you're pulling out of an intersection and you want to accelerate quickly, you're going to notice that with the open differential, only the inside wheel is going to be spinning. Once you swap into the limited slip, both wheels are always spinning at the same time. Yes, it's easier to get sideways now, but with the right amount of throttle control, you're going to find that you're going to be able to put the power down properly coming out of a turn, and you're not going to be spinning in place. The second thing you'll notice is that the acceleration is so much better, not only from a stop, but when you're passing as well. And this is mainly due to the fact that your gears are a lot shorter, and it's going to seem almost as if you're shifting more often. I can confirm that after 40,000 miles of driving on this differential, there is actually no difference. It turns out that the MPG is mainly dictated by the engine itself and not by a slight difference of the RPM when you're cruising down the freeway. And this is something that I've just experienced. I don't know if it's just my driving style, but certainly the tires were not worn evenly between the left and the right side. The tire wear is now a lot more even, which is a good thing because now you can run your tires a little bit longer. You're going to be able to swing that thing and actually take control, just like you see 6.4s and Hellcats do it. All in all, the LSD swap really speaks for itself. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe and give this video a like. Comment below, tell me what you think. I do have a lot more videos coming up, so stay tuned, and we'll see you next time.